Today, I'm going to show you how you can use a smartphone mounted on a Dream Grip Pro with a Glide Gear WB Solo teleprompter. The Dream Grip Evolution Pro is a camera rig meant for filming outdoors, but you will be surprised that it can be put to many uses for indoor filming also. I have created a couple of videos on how you could mount this on a tabletop tripod and also on a standard tripod and combine it with the various lenses and filters to get a complete filming kit for indoor filming. So when you are filming indoors, you may like to read from a script, or you might like to record a talking head video with a difficult subject matter in which there are a lot of technical words. In this instance, you might need the assistance of a teleprompter. Since the Dream Grip Evolution Pro form factor is very thin, it would be difficult to mount a standard teleprompter to the Dream Grip Evolution Pro, but I have made a video on how you could use this, and you could refer that video up here. For those of you who don't have a standard teleprompter and fear that the form factor or the standard teleprompter may be too big for its use, you could use this Glide Gear WB Solo teleprompter. The Glide Gear Solo WB teleprompter is meant to be used with a laptop or a desktop computer, and the hooks are to be placed over the top of the laptop. It can also be used with iPads, and I have made a video on how to use it with an iPad. You could use it with a smartphone also. The trick is to mount the teleprompter on a light stand and insinuate the phone in between the upper and lower jaws of the teleprompter. But this Dream Grip Evolution Pro provides several safety features, and it is amicably suited for this particular use. I'm going to show you how to do that now. So here I have my Dream Grip Evolution Pro mounted on a tripod, as you can see here. And this is my smartphone. This is the Samsung Note 20 Ultra. I have mounted it to the upper rail with a thumb screw which has been provided with the Dream Grip Evolution Pro, and I am using the shorter clamp which is provided, not the bigger clamp, and I am using the rear camera, as you can see here. So the rear camera is situated up in the upper part of the frame, and this position will be particularly suited for use with the teleprompter. Now I have assembled the Glide Gear WB teleprompter over the top of the Dream Grip upper rail like that. Previously you saw how I had connected the camera, the phone camera, to the upper rail. So here also the Glide Gear teleprompter, from the side I can show you that. So this is just placed over the upper rail of the Dream Grip Evolution Pro. It will not go in because these screws will interfere, will come in the way. It will not go all the way. You will get so much of a purchase over here, over the upper rail, and that would be sufficient if you are filming indoors and there is no strong wind to knock away things. So that would be sufficient. And you can see the position of the camera here. The projecting device is a small smartphone here, which can be slid into the tray of the teleprompter. And you can see that the script of the projecting phone is visible on the reflecting surface of the teleprompter, and you can see that the script is exactly at the level of the central lens of the smartphone. So this way you will be looking into the eyes of the audience, and it will appear that you are not reading from a script at all, and you are as if talking to the audience and meeting them eye to eye. So this is the way. So you can, to have further proof, I will just switch on this camera here. So I am showing you the view of the phone camera mounted in the Dream Grip Evolution Pro. you can see that is these are the objects on the wall over there, and as I bring the camera back, you can see that the entire footage of the wall over there is being recorded in the screen of this phone here, and there is no vignetting due to these side frames of the teleprompter in the screen. Of course, you'll have to move the phone around a little bit by sliding the upper screw. The whole rail is free. This whole rail is free, and you won't have any problem. So you can even, if you want, you can unscrew it and thread it and after positioning the phone at the correct place, so that you don't get the vignetting from the frames of the teleprompter. So this is proof that you can get an unobstructed view, and from this side, from the other side, you can see that the script is clearly visible, and therefore you will be able to record a script, a talking head video with the accurate script and by always facing the audience. So this is the secret of combining a Dream Grip Evolution Pro and adding a teleprompter to it, that is the Glide Gear WB100 teleprompter. So this video would be of use to those videographers who use their smartphones for filming and recording videos indoors, particularly talking head videos. And if they're looking for a teleprompter, this offers a solution, as the Dream Grip Evolution Pro is thin, and so is the Glide Gear WB Solo teleprompter. It also has got a very thin frame, and it can be positioned without any problem, without tilting the balance, without toppling over on the top of the frame of the Dream Grip Evolution Pro. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. If you did, kindly share it, like it, subscribe to my channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC, and smash the bell icon after subscribing, so that you're aware when I upload a video like this in future. All my videos are about do-it-yourself, tech videos, video recording tips, and of course I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I've got lots of videos on the orthopedic procedures which I perform, which are mainly stem cell treatment for bone, cartilage, ligament and tendon. You can see all of them on my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center. Once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Cheers.